Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a creative card carousel and add it to a strikingly website. Let's get started. The Creative Card Carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout and a skin. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code. And close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the Strikingly editor. Please note, the widget's content will not show on the Strikingly editor, but will only appear on the preview and on the published website. In the Strikingly editor, click on Add New Section on the left panel, wherever you want the widget to show. Then, find and click on the App Store and HTML section at the bottom of the sections list. Click on the new section you've added to your page. And select the HTML app from the apps list. Now, in the custom HTML code window that opens, simply paste the widget code you've copied before. And click the Save button at the bottom of the window to save your changes and close the window. And that's it. Now, the Creative Card Carousel will show on your website.